In this problem, I need to add in base 3. So I'm going to start in the ones place where I have 2 ones added to another 2 ones. So when we're adding 2 plus 2, that means I have 2 ones here, another 2 ones, which is 4, but that's a base 10 number, and we're working in base 3. We don't have any 4s in base 3. In base 3, the only digits we can have are 0, 1, and 2. So how do we make this work out? Well, what I see is that because I'm working in base 3, every time I have a group of 3, I join them together and make one group. And so this moves over a place value. So 4 in base 10 is the same thing as one group of 3 and 1 left over. So this is the 3's place, and this is the 1's place. So what I'm going to do with this 1, 1, not 11, but 1, 1, is I'm going to put 1 in the 1's place, and I'm going to carry the other 1 over to the next place value. So this is the one that gets carried, and this one comes straight down. It's kind of hard to tell when you have the same digit. Okay, so now we're working in the 3's place, and we have a 1 that got carried, a 0, and a 2. So now this means one group of 3. And then we have 2 more groups of 3. Try not to make them overlap there. Okay, so now I have 3 groups of 3, which moves over another place value. Now we're in the 9's place. So there's 9 total there, but that's one group of 9, no groups of 3, and no 1s. So in the 3's place, I'm going to have a 0. Right, this is the 1's place. We're not going to have anything there that we need to add. We have 0 in the 3's place, and we're carrying over one group of 9 to the next place value. So now in our next place value, we have one group of 9 added to one group of 9. So I'm going to do that a little bit more simply here. One group of 9, and then a second group of 9, because this is 1 plus 1. And so that means that I have 2 groups of 9. So I bring down a 2. There's nothing to carry over. And then in the next place value, we have 1 plus 1 again, but this is groups of 27. And that makes 2 groups of 27 and nothing to carry over. So that is a 2 as well, and it's in base 3. So that's how you add in a different base other than base 10. You want to look at how many groups of things you have and carry over. And always keep in mind that the only digits you can use are 0 through whatever one less than the base number is. So if you had a problem where the base was 8, then your digits could be anything from 0 to 7. And if it's base 16, then you can have anything from 0 to F, because F is representing 15 in base 16. That's your highest digit. So that's how you do that problem.